How to fix I can't comment on Facebook posts. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the can't comment on Facebook posts issue step by step. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the latest version of the Facebook app. To do this, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Then open the app page. If you see an Update button, tap on it to install the latest version. Updating the app often fixes bugs that can prevent commenting. Next, you should try clearing the Facebook app cache. Go to your phone settings, then scroll down and tap on General, then iPhone Storage. Find and select Facebook from the app list. After opening it, tap on Offload App. This removes temporary files that may be causing the problem without deleting your account data. If the issue is still not fixed, the next step is to report the problem directly to Facebook. Open the Facebook app and tap on the three-line menu located in the right corner. Scroll down and tap on Help and Support, then select Report a Problem. Next, tap on Continue to report a problem and wait a few seconds for the page to load. You'll be asked whether you want to include logs. Choose whichever option you're comfortable with. After that, select the product where you're experiencing the issue. If you're unsure, simply choose Feed. Now you'll see a text box where you can describe your problem. Type a message explaining that you are unable to comment on Facebook posts and politely request assistance from the Facebook team. Once you've written your message, tap Send. Your report will be submitted to Facebook, and their support team will review the issue and help resolve it. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the problem of not being able to comment on Facebook posts. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.